Today I will tell you how to place order on Futuelink. First, log into your account, choose the product you want, put all the required details, and then click on Add to Cart. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Now put all the billing details and then choose the payment method you want. We have Visa, MasterCard, Binance Pay and Future Wallet. Then click on Place Order. Now it will say Success. Order has been placed successfully. Please click here to check order details. Now here you can see your order ID, your status. So here we have the option to connect with the store. Just by simply clicking on this option, you can directly talk to the supplier. So this is how you can place the order on Futuelink. So I hope it was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.